Hi everyone, Nishka here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com with another fun product spotlight for you. Today's a very special product spotlight because we are introducing a new line for us here at Eureka, and it's very exciting. And I wanted to show you guys first and up close what these beautiful new products are. But before I get started, quick reminder, go check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you always know when we're posting new content. So the big exciting news today is that we are launching our very own Krakovski brand crystal pearls. These gorgeous pearls that we are going to be now offering are an amazing alternative to other crystal pearls out there on the market at a really affordable price point. So I've pulled out a few different options here so that you can see we've got some 6mm, we've got some 4mm, and also some 8mm. We're going to have a lot more colors than the ones I have here. I just wanted to show you a little smattering of what you can expect, and I'm going to show them to you up close so you can take a look at the fine quality. You can already tell with the weight of the pearls that they have a really nice feel to them. These aren't cheap or plasticky feeling at all. You can also see that they are not dip dyed. You don't have any flakes coming off on the strand if you look between the beads themselves. So yeah, really nice, fine quality. We've been working really hard to bring these to you guys ever since we found out all that, sad information about Swarovski going away, and we've been looking for just the right thing before we introduced it. So yeah, let's take a look at these little pretty pearls one by one, shall we? Okay, so first here we have, this is a 6mm pearl, and this is in a dove gray color. And just take a look at how beautiful these beads are. And you can just hear that clicking sound that is just so reminiscent of a nice high quality crystal pearl. And the flawless color and coating. Next we have also a 6mm, and here is a light gold color. So warm, so pretty, like a nice light honey color. Beautiful, beautiful. Just loving these pearls. Okay, next we have, here's a couple of strands of a white pearl, which is so classic. These are just so good to have for any project. These are 4mm in white of the Krakovski Crystal Pearls. And they are just so slinky and saturated. Okay, next we have here is 2 strands of a very pretty gold color, also in 4mm. So you have gold as a color option. You also have a much softer light gold that I showed you earlier. Just gorgeous. And here we have a solo strand here that I've pulled out in a very pretty rosaline. Just a very soft pink. I think the camera might be washing it out just a little bit, but if you see it next to the other colors, you can definitely see how much pinker this one is. But again, very soft pink color here. And let's go on to our 8 millimeters, nice big chunky pearls. If you really like big pearls, big beads, 8 millimeter pearls, this is a beautiful, beautiful light blue color. And just look how it shines. And I just love that clicky sound. It's fantastic. And let me just show you what the edges look like. The larger the pearl, the more likely you'll have a little bit of touching along the holes. So there is more chance for a little bit of flaking. But here we have really good, I mean, this is just very nice quality, which you'll see here. Incredibly minimal, and it's done very well. This is something that you would see also on any other kind of pearl, including Swarovski pearls in this size. And that's just a manufacturing thing. It's just really impossible to have totally flakeless edges on a pearls of larger size just because of how they touch each other on a strand. And here is the cream rose light, or light cream rose color, also in the 8 millimeter. And again, I can show you the edges here, the holes, smooth. And just beautiful. They come on these really nice long strands, so you don't have to worry about them slipping off. So yeah, here is just a little bit of a introduction to our new line of Krakovski Crystal Pearls, and we're going to be doing a lot of projects coming with these beauties, and we hope that you are in the market for something new and different and give these pearls a try. Finally, I just want to talk about the durability of these pearls. They are very resistant to wear and scratches. Any kind of normal wear and tear, they will be fine with. Of course, if you really go out of your way and use some pliers on them, the finish will come off, but it is nice and thick. So a normal wear shouldn't affect these at all in a day-to-day piece. Let me just show you here. I've taken one pearl and I've damaged it on purpose so you can see how the bead looks underneath and how thick that coat is. It's almost like as thick as a coat of nail polish, multiple coats of nail polish. So this is a powder rose pearl, and you can see underneath you have that glass, that crystal core that is going to hold its shape and has layers and layers and layers of this finish on it to give it that pearlized appearance. And the only way I was able to do this was by using pliers, and I just scratched it up real hard. So the only way that you're going to get any kind of flaking or issue like this is if you really go to town on these pearls. Otherwise, they are going to work beautifully in your projects and designs without any issues. All right, so thanks for joining me for this quick little tour through our brand new product. Krakovski Crystal Pearls are available now on our website. You can go ahead and check out all the additional colors and sizes that I wasn't able to show you in this video. And I hope that you enjoy working with these as much as I do. And go ahead and make sure you stay tuned because we will have plenty of projects coming up with these beauties. And let us know what you think. All right. Thanks so much. Have a nice day. Bye.